All right, let's talk about heat vision. What if you had a superpower that could actually let you see wasted energy? Well, today we're going to dive into exactly that and how it can seriously save you some money.
So let me ask you something. Is your home hiding an expensive secret? I mean, do you ever get your energy bill and just think, where is all this money going? Or maybe you've got that one room that's just always freezing no matter what. Yeah, you're not alone. And the answer is usually hiding right under our noses. The problem is what I like to call the invisible thief. It's this unseen force that's just quietly stealing the warmth right out of your home. And yep, the cash right out of your wallet. That thief, it's energy waste. You see, heat is an absolute master of escape. It can seep right through your solid walls. That's something called conduction. It can catch a ride on little air currents zipping through tiny cracks. We call that convection. And it can even just radiate away into the cold. The crazy part? All of this is happening completely invisibly. And that's the bottom line, right? You just can't fix a problem you can't see. I mean, how are you supposed to stop a leak if you don't even know where it is? Okay, but what if you could see it? What if you could actually see that invisible thief? Well, that's where this superhero tool comes into play. It's time for us to gain some heat vision. So the fancy term for this is infrared analysis, or thermography. But here's what it really is. It's a special kind of camera, a technology that creates a picture using heat instead of light. It literally shows you all the hot and cold spots everywhere. Seriously, it's like giving your eyes a superpower to see energy. It's like you've put on a pair of X-ray specs, but for heat. And just like that, the invisible becomes visible. So, now that you have this superpower, what do your walls actually reveal? What secrets have they been hiding this whole time? Let's find out. Okay, so what does this heat vision actually show you? You're looking at this colorful picture. What does it all mean? What are you even looking for? Well, these heat anomalies can point to all sorts of things. We're talking about stuff like damaged or maybe even completely missing insulation inside your walls. Or you could find building materials that are just plain worn out. It can even show you really bad connections in your electrical system that are getting dangerously hot, or give you a heads up that a piece of equipment is about to fail. Basically, you're looking for two main things. First, you've got your hotspots. These could be things like overheating electrical circuits or equipment, definitely something you want to know about. Then you've got your cold leaks. These are the gaps in your home's armor, where all that expensive heat is just pouring out. All right, so finding the problem is half the battle, but now for the best part. Let's talk about going from seeing the problem to actually saving money. And look, the path to savings is super straightforward. Step 1, you scan your building with a thermal camera. Step 2, you see all those invisible hot and cold spots light up like a Christmas tree. Step 3, you fix the issues. Seal those leaks, plug those insulation gaps. And finally, step 4, the best step, you save on your energy bills. It's as simple as that. And if there's one thing to remember, it's this. Seeing energy waste makes fixing it easy. It's not a guessing game anymore. You know exactly where to go and what to do. Think about it. You've taken this invisible, expensive headache and turned it into a visible, totally solvable problem. You're now in control. That's real power. Hey, if you want more simple energy explanations just like this one, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to Energy Simply Explained. We love to have you.